This is the Makibes M3 in bracelet mode with monitoring of real-time, full-time, 24/7 heart rate on a screen that doesn't go off. Let me reboot it. Full color screen in full Android mode with all of the different widgets up here that give you all your information and all your different settings, and all of your step count information, weekly summary, steps, distance traveled, calories burned, notifications available to you when pushed from the tethered phone, all kinds of apps that come stock on it, and fitness activity. However, the fitness area is not yet integrated with GPS, as in all these dual processor smartwatches. That's coming later, we hope. Anyway, really nice smartwatch. It's the Makibes M3, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage. Check it out.